Demonstrative pronouns. The power of these and those. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into the world of demonstrative pronouns, specifically focusing on the plural forms, these and those. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to correctly use these powerful words to enhance your English language skills. In English, demonstrative pronouns are special words that we use to indicate or point out specific things or people. They can be either singular or plural, and they change based on how close or far the thing or person is from the speaker. Today, we're focusing on the plural forms, these and those. The word these is a plural demonstrative pronoun used to indicate multiple items that are close to the speaker, either in physical distance or in a more abstract sense. Let's look at some examples. These are my favorite books. Pointing to books on a shelf. These ideas are innovative. Discussing ideas that have just been shared. When you use these, it implies that you are referring to something specific and near you. On the flip side, those is used to indicate multiple items that are farther from the speaker. This can refer to physical distance or a temporal or abstract distance. Here are some examples. Those are her dogs across the park. Pointing to dogs at a distance. Those were the days, referring to a time in the past. Just like these, those specifies certain things or people, but at a greater distance. Let's imagine a scenario. You're in a room full of toys. The toys near you are trains, and the toys far from you are dolls. You could say, "These trains are so colorful," indicating the trains close to you. "Those dolls are quite large," indicating the dolls far away. By using these and those, you can clearly indicate which group of toys you are referring to based on their distance from you. And there you have it, language explorers. Understanding and correctly using these and those will help you communicate more effectively in English. Remember, these for things close to you, and those for things farther away. Keep practicing and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for joining us in this journey through English demonstrative pronouns. And we hope this video has been helpful.